Can you see how much this is raining? No, you can't because there's stuff. Yeah, it is. Oh, there you go. This is what's to work. The weather's like back in Sweden now. Whoopie-doo. And that was my spot like 2 hours ago when I was sunbathing. Not so much anymore. You can't really tell how dramatic this is. But that doesn't work either. There, you can kind of tell, I guess. Oh, whoops. I know. There's lots of rain, anyway. Lots and lots and lots of rain. What if I do this? Wait. Yeah, lots and lots and lots of rain. Peace out. I'll see if I can record a video soon. If I don't, I'll record one when I'm at Chloe's. Bye!